welcome back to TechBox. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of next-generation engines. We'll be exploring two groundbreaking technologies, the OneStroke engine and Toyota's hydrogen combustion engine. Both promise to revolutionize the automotive industry, so stay tuned to learn more about these cutting-edge innovations. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future updates. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the OneStroke engine. As the name suggests, this engine operates on a unique one-stroke cycle, which means it completes a full power cycle in just one stroke of the piston. Compared to the traditional four-stroke engines found in most vehicles today, the one-stroke engine has the potential to be more efficient and powerful. The one-stroke engine eliminates many moving parts found in conventional engines, reducing friction and energy losses. This design leads to improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. Now, let's turn our attention to Toyota's hydrogen combustion engine. Unlike conventional gasoline engines, this technology utilizes hydrogen as its primary fuel source, making it an eco-friendly alternative. The engine burns hydrogen, reacting with oxygen to produce energy, and the only emission generated is water vapor, making it a zero-emission solution. Toyota's hydrogen combustion engine represents a significant step forward in sustainable transportation. Hydrogen is abundant and can be produced from renewable sources, making it an attractive option for eco-conscious drivers. Now, let's compare these two groundbreaking technologies and see how they differ from each other. While both engines aim to improve efficiency and reduce emissions, they use different approaches to achieve their goals. The one-stroke engine achieves efficiency through its unique one-stroke cycle, reducing energy losses. On the other hand, Toyota's hydrogen combustion engine relies on hydrogen, a clean burning fuel, to produce power without harmful emissions. Like any new technology, both engines face challenges in their widespread adoption. The one-stroke engine's biggest challenge lies in its unconventional design, which may require significant changes to existing vehicle architectures. As for the hydrogen combustion engine, hydrogen infrastructure development is crucial for its success. In conclusion, both the one-stroke engine and Toyota's hydrogen combustion engine offer promising solutions for a greener and more sustainable automotive future. The one-stroke engine impresses with its efficiency and simplicity, while Toyota's hydrogen combustion engine excels in producing zero emissions, leveraging the power of hydrogen. Which technology will dominate the roads of the future? Only time will tell. But one thing is for sure, both of these innovations represent exciting steps towards a cleaner and more environmentally friendly transportation landscape. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are interested in cutting-edge automotive technologies. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on emerging technologies and the future of transportation. Until next time, stay curious and stay green.